Namaskar. Welcome to Vandana's art classes. We are going to learn a drawing of Ganesh Ji in pencil and then we will color it in black and white. So let's start. To make this drawing, we need a paper. My paper is 400 GSM paper. I have a scale, pencil, eraser, and I'm going to use brush and black paint, but we can use these micro tip pen also. Okay, so we'll start our today's work. First, you draw in pencil. So leave 1 centimeter margin on all the four sides. This is for framing. Then draw another 1 centimeter line that will be our border. Now on this border, on all the four sides, we will mark 1 centimeter marking. Okay, so that whatever design we are drawing will be equal. All the four sides I will mark, and I will also draw another line here that's for the second hanging design which I am going to show, and third line here. Later on we will erase these. Now this side also we will mark the 1 centimeter line. Okay. And at the bottom also we will mark these markings. After doing this much work, I'm going to start with a very simple border here. It's a simple triangle border. This is the first border. In the corners, we will draw one simple flower. It is called Ashtadal flower because it has 8 petals. Now, next one, I'm drawing a U in between 2 dots. We will erase all these pencil marks later on. Here, we will be drawing one line. And in the middle also, we'll be drawing one line. Here, we are drawing circles. And in each circle, we'll fill some color, whichever we like. This one, we are doubling. And here, we are drawing 3 lines in each triangle. This border will be there on all the 4 sides and another small V here. Now we have drawn this, so I'm going to erase this pencil line. The same design will continue on all the 4 sides. Let's draw Ganesh Ji. For that, I will find out the midpoint. It's 16.5, so midpoint of this page will be 8.25. I will draw a dotted line here. So I'll mark it at 2-3 places so that my line is straight. Very light dotted line because ultimately we have to erase it. Okay, so our line is ready. Now around this line we have to draw the Ganesh Ji. So I'm doing one thing from the top, from this point to this point, I'm leaving 6 centimeter. Around this 6 centimeter, we will have 3 and 3. And let's draw the face. Length of face I'm taking around 7. Rest will be the trunk. So now we will draw both sides 6 and 6. This is for ears. Roughly this is. Erase all pencil lines. Okay, now we will show the trunk. For trunk, I am taking 1 centimeter on both the sides. You can show the turning of trunk any side. It's your wish. Our basic drawing is ready. Now we'll make the crown. Now here we'll draw the eyelid. Erase the extra pencil marks. Now our work will start. So I am starting with this side border. First step is to draw the line. This portion is for framing. And here we'll draw the triangles on the dots which we marked. So same border will come here and here. Okay, and here we'll paint some plain color. Now, let's come to the Ganesh Ji. So we have made this spiral. Now here I am going to make okay. Now this part just long lines. इस outermost circle में मैं rounds बना रही हूँ, circles. Here we will draw earrings for Ganesh Ji. So don't forget to erase pencil marks once your drawing is complete. Now, in remaining ear, we'll draw some design and we'll show one broken teeth here. We will double line the trunk also. Now, this trunk part will divide into various segments. This side also. Last one, I'm drawing a petal. Here I'm drawing slanting lines this way, then this way. Now in the ear, the second line, I'm going to draw this design. In the ear, I'm going to make lotus. Here, we can do some kachni. Kachni means the line work. Now let's come to the trunk. So first thing in the trunk also, I'm going to give this design in between the double lines. Here we will show one diamond then a small diamond. We are dividing it into different parts, and each part will have some kachni design. In this, we are showing these semicircles. Because it is a curved portion, so it is difficult to show a turanj or something. So we'll just draw the semicircles. Now again, this design will come here. Now we can show Dohri Kachni. Dohri Kachni means cross lines. On this, I am keeping a laddu. Now, this side also, I'll draw the lotus. With this, our Ganesh Ji is ready. Now, in this art style, we have to draw something in the background. One thing we can write Om, we can show swastik. So, Om swastik. We can show a lamp, diya. We can also show a kalash. And in the kalash, we can show in the center coconut and leaves, mango leaves. Okay, now in the kalash, we will give design. So we'll make divisions. Now, in the background, we cannot leave space in Madhubani. So, I'm drawing some flowers, simple flowers. ये हमारे गणेश जी बन गए। मुझे उम्मीद है आप लोगों को ट्यूटोरियल पसंद आया होगा। अब मैं इसमें थोड़ा सा काम ना ब्रश से करने वाली हूँ, उसको देख लीजिए। अगर चाहे तो करिए, नहीं तो नहीं करिए, आपकी इच्छा है। तो मैं पहला काम तो मैं ये करने वाली हूँ कि मैं आपको करके दिखाऊंगी कि इसमें मैं ये भरनी कर रही हूँ मैं सब तरफ। With this, our Ganesh Ji painting is complete. Thank you for watching the video. Kindly like, subscribe and share the information about my YouTube channel Vandana's Art. Dhanyavad. Namaste.